Jennifer Guerrero. I'm fighting for the Muay Thai Kingdom card on December 13th against a girl named Gabrielle Lemus. She's fighting out of Longset Muay Thai out of San Antonio. I don't really know too much about her. I know she's 5'3", so she's got a little bit more experience than I do. I'm sure I've seen some of their other girls fight before. All I can do is train. I've been training really, really hard for this. Hoping I can come home with a W for our team. It's been really, really good. My weight's where it needs to be. I'm really looking forward to putting on a good show for everyone. Hope you guys can make it out.